Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We are at our favorite park and it is very, wait, let's look both ways. Good, go, go. So basically we are at our favorite park that we like going to. And make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notifications to know when there's another video coming. So there's a nest right here. There's literally a nest right there. Daddy. Right there. It has 2 eggs in it right now. Can I see? Scientific explanation is you take a bird out of a mom's nest, the mom will never take care of it, will just abandon it. So, how do I get up? And the birds are already hatched. There's only few ducks. And one, there's ants on it. But now we are going to go to the park. focus.
I'm going down here.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Jaden's right there. He's coming down this way. What you gonna do, Jaden? What you gonna do? I think I just might go. I feel like I just might go. I might go! Guys, I gotta go. Jaden's right there. I think I might just go, Jaden. Guys. Where is he? He's right there. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. Where did he go? I need to go. My dad's recording. Where's Jaden? Oh no. Guys, this is my worst thing to do here. But I'm gonna go down the slide. I gotta go, guys, I gotta go. Gotta go, go, go. What you gonna do now, Jaden? Let's see where he is. Where did he go? He's down the slide. He's gonna get me. I need to go. I need to go. I need to go, go, go. What you gonna do, Jaden? Here you go, Daddy. Let's see if Jaden can do it. He's right there. He's about to get me. My dad helped him. Love you, Dad. Love you. He's coming to get me. I gotta go! Jaden's right there. I'm scared. He's coming, he's coming! Jaden's right there. We're gonna go look for painted rocks now. So let's do